Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali with another video of Android development. This is chat app series. So in the last video we have created this single view for recycler view. So now in this video we will read all the messages from the Firebase database and we will show on the chat activity in recycler view. So we need to create Firebase UI recycler view. So open our chat activity and here we need to create our Firebase recycler view. For Firebase UI recycler view we need model class. So here we will create the model class, right click new and select Java class. I will call it chat.java and hit the enter. We have to create the variable. So first of all we will open our database and here we have messages. We need to open messages. Here we have three variables, SMS, status and user ID. We have to create these. So first one, private string SMS status user ID. Okay, now we need to create the getters and setters. So first I will create the constructor. This will be empty constructor for Firebase. So now we will create another constructor. Make sure you have select all the fields, click OK, press Alt insert and select the getters and setters, select all the field, hit the enter. Okay, now our chat class is ready. So now we will open our chat activity.java and here we will create the Firebase UI recycler view, Firebase recycler option, and here we will pass our class. So our class is chat, so I will simply call it option. Now we need Firebase adapter, so I will select Firebase adapter and here we need to pass two parameters. First parameter is chat.class and second parameter is my view holder. So I will pass here chat my view holder and here I will call it adapter. Okay, now we need to create this class, so press Alt enter. So create this class. Okay, now this class will be extended with view holder, so I will pass here view holder and press Alt enter to create the constructor. Okay, now go back to chat activity.java and here we need to initialize these two variables, options and adapters. So at the bottom here we will create the method, so I will call it load SMS and create this method inside this activity. So press Alt enter to create this method. Now here we need to initialize first one option. So option equal to new Firebase recycler option and here we will call builder method. Now here we need to pass chat class dot set query. Now here we need to pass our reference. So our reference is SMS reference, so SMS reference dot child and here we need to pass our user ID. So first I will pass my user ID muser dot get uid and under this ID we need another child, so this one is other user ID, so I will pass here other user ID. Okay, now finally we will call build method. Okay, now our option is ready. So here we have problem, yeah, we forgot other class, that is chat dot class. Okay, now we need to initialize our adapter. So here I will create adapter, new Firebase recycler adapter. Okay, now first here we have to put semicolon. So here we need to pass our option. Okay, now first we need to inflate our layout. So here we need to inflate our single view that we have created here, this one. So view equal to layout inflator dot from and here we need to pass parent dot get context, mean we have to pass our context dot inflate r dot layout dot single view chat and second parameter is our boolean attach, not boolean attach, it's parent, and finally our boolean attach I will pass here false Now finally we will put semicolon. Okay, now here we need to call our view holder, so I will call here chat my view holder and new chat my view holder, and here we need to pass our view. So now we open my chat my view holder, and here we need to initialize all variable that we have created inside this single view. So first one is our circle image view. Okay, I have initialized all the variables that are created in single view. So here we have to initialize the data to these text views and circle image view. So here we need to check few conditions. So if model dot get user id dot equal, if it equal to over user id, mean m user dot get uid, then what we have to do, we have to hide few data and show few data. So let me open our user interface. So here we have user interface, this is over other user and this is over user id, mean this is mine data. So if our user is matched the id of that particular messages, then we have to hide this data, we have to show this data. If our user did not match with that id, then we have to show other message. So I will explain it later, don't worry. So here we have to hide few stuff. So holder dot second not it first user text dot set visibility, and here I will pass gone. Now duplicate this line and change first profile, we have to hide also profile, and now we have to show other stuff. So I will duplicate this line, and here we have to change second text and visibility visible, second text profile, and it's visible. Okay, so here we will assign the data. So I will use holder dot second user text dot set text, and here we will use model dot get sms and to simply assign this text. Okay, now in else condition, if our user does not match the id with other user id, so here we will use same process, just copy it and here we will paste it, and now this time we will use it visible, and also we have to change it into visible, and we have to change it into gone, and also we have to change it into gone. Okay, now we have to use the Picasso. So here I will use Picasso dot get dot load, and here we will use other profile image link dot into, and here we will use model class, not model, it's holder dot second user profile, okay. So finally we have to start over recycler view. So here we have recycler view. So adapter dot start listening and recycler view dot set adapter, it's set adapter, and here we will pass this adapter. Okay, now run the application. Okay, application successfully running. So let's open our find friend, and here we have Romy user. So we will click on send SMS, and here you can see we have messages. So we have to fix our layout and other stuff. So go to our layout. So here we have to select this first text view and add the constraint on top, and also select the constraint at the bottom to this image view. So also we have to select the second text view and add the constraint at the bottom, and also from top select the image view and also add the constraint at the bottom. Okay, now here we have to select margin from right, and here I will select 8 dp. Now same for the second text view. Okay, now select the first text view and add the constraint from right to parent, and here we have to select the margin. Sorry, it's not first text view, this one. We have to select the margin at the parent, not to the image view, and here I will select the margin 50 dp. And now select the second text view and add the constraint to the parent, not to the image view. So again here I will select 50 dp. Okay, now our problem I think is fixed. We have to check this text view, no margin, again this one. Okay, so let's run the application again. Okay, application successfully running, so open our find friend, and here we will select this user and open send SMS, and here you can see it's looking nice. So let's say I type a long text, it will change the shape or not. So let's click on the send button, and here you can see it's looking nice, everything working fine. So in the next video we will fix how we can retrieve our images. So if you have any questions you can ask me in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Take care.